Leviton has taken the traditional appearance and superior performance of Decora devices and improved them even more. Now, installation is as easy as push, click, done. Lever Edge, our innovative line of switches, outlets, GFCIs, and dimmers, offers a faster, easier, and safer way to install your electrical devices. Lever Edge devices are available as a single pole switch, a three-way switch, a tamper-resistant outlet, and in response to overwhelming demand, we have introduced a 15-amp tamper-resistant GFCI, a weather-resistant GFCI, a 20-amp outlet, and a dimmer offering superior performance with LED bulbs and fixtures. Utilizing unique color-coded lever terminals, wiring is now as simple as pushing in a stripped wire and snapping down a lever. That's it! The patented design has an audible click, giving you the confidence that a positive connection has been made. The individual color-coded levers for hot, neutral, and ground help ensure correct installation and reduce the risks of miswiring. We even included a clearly identifiable blue lever on the Lever Edge GFCI to identify its load terminal to help avoid line load reversal when wiring. And since the electrical connections are made within the device, there are no exposed metal screws or parts, lessening the likelihood of electrical mishaps. But the advantages don't stop there, because Lever Edge was designed to simplify mounting as well. To easily install the devices in multi-gang installations, each device has an integrated tongue and groove feature that perfectly aligns each device to the other. And the longer and wider strap helps address installations in oddly cut drywall. Lever Edge devices work with midway wall plates, but also include a breakaway tab to allow for a perfect fit with standard wall plates. For contractors, Lever Edge includes convenient openings for circuit testing without removing the wires. And since the color-coded levers allow for fast and easy installs, you'll save significant time and money on the job site. Lever Edge devices work with stranded or solid copper wire. All Lever Edge devices integrate seamlessly with existing Decora devices as well as Decora and Decora Plus wall plates. Lever Edge, Leviton's new game-changing design that makes wiring as easy as push, click, done. To learn more, visit leviton.com/edge.